Alright guys, welcome back to another video on the Tacoma, almost said Tundra, Tacoma. As I mentioned in last video, we are going to be replacing the grill with an upgraded grill and also new headlights because these are obviously completely toast. Now I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing, but obviously it looks like we got some screws we got to take out. The whole grill has to come out to even get the headlights out. So we had the headlights first, but we're waiting on the new grill to come in because this has to come out anyways to replace these. So I'm going to start taking these screws out and then we'll go from there. So we got all the screws out up top, pin right here. That one's missing. Okay, I got this side out. They just push down. That one too.
Oh, I see it right there.
There you go.
Got it.
Alright. So you'll have little tabs in the grill that slide into these slots. You just push them down and pull it forward. This is what they look like. Just push those down, pull the grill straight out. Now we're going to work on getting these lights out. So when you remove the headlight, like I said, you got the two top screws. This part is just pushed in here, and way back on the right side where you can't even see, there is another nut holding it in, and then it should just come right out. We're gonna go ahead and undo all these electrical connectors first. Just pull that bulb out, and then I gotta wait till I get the headlight out to get these undone. All right, we got that bottom bolt out. Now it's time to remove the headlight. How you do it? I'll let you do it.
I need this plug out here. How to do that? Got it right there.
All right, and then this should, the headlight plug should just pull right out too. Hold the headlight.
Yeah.
There you go. Now it can come out. There we go.
Wow. Not the easiest thing to get in there.
All right, well, he's working on getting that bolt back into that bottom corner of the headlight. I'm gonna start transferring these bulbs over to the new headlight.
Top one's up.
Alright, headlight bulb is in. It is now the next day. We ran out of daylight yesterday, and on that headlight, I can't remember if I said anything about it last time, but the very, very far side in the corner, which is almost impossible to get to, you can't see what you're doing, there is a bolt. And that gave us a lot of trouble yesterday, so it got dark pretty quick and we just called it the quits. But the headlights are in. Only problem is the side marker light doesn't appear to be working. And now that we got the headlight in, it's kind of hard to get this bulb out. So I think I'll try to work on that. We did have to move this out of the way to give us more room, but we still couldn't get it. So I'm gonna work on that, figure out what's going on with that bulb, and then we'll go to putting the brand new grill in there and hooking up the grill lights for it. So this is the new grill we're going to be putting in. Comes with the grill lights, wiring kit, and most likely just going to tap them into the side marker lights. I just got to get a multimeter and figure out which one's positive, or one of those test lights, and I can figure out which one of those wires is positive, because you got a positive and a ground, obviously. Yeah, let's go ahead and do it. All right, so I got the plug undone. Now I'm gonna go turn, well, before I turn the lights on, I'm just gonna try it right now and see if I can get a reading, but I doubt I can if it's not on. All right, lights are on. Let's see if we can get a reading now. All right, let me try a different ground. All right, so right there, the light lights up on the green wire. So the green wire is positive, the white one is negative. All right, I'll probably end up doing wiring later. I'm just gonna get the grill put in right now because actually, let's see if I got the right connectors with me. I do. So I got these connectors right here, which just splice into the factory ones, and I can run the positive and the ground into 2 of these. This will close in on the wire I want it to go into, and you just crimp it down and it should work. That's what I did on my truck, but it's been a while since I've done that, so I'm hoping this works. All right, so all I did was just open up some of this wire loom so I can get down the wire a little bit. And like I said, I'll do the positive first, I guess. I'm gonna have to strip this a little bit further down. This will go in here, and so will the positive wire, and I'll just crimp it down and we should be good to go. So I guess I really don't need to strip it that much because it's gonna cut into the wire, but it just feels safer if I do it this way. So that wire's in. Actually, this has to go on the inside. There we go, that's in. And then I said the green wire, which is now in. And then we'll go ahead and squeeze this thing shut, which I'm actually going to use these channel locks for. Might work better. There we go, that should be good. Now I'm just gonna do the same thing for the negative. Now I'm just gonna plug one of these in to make sure it actually works. There, lights are on, and so is that one, so it works. Now we can install the grill. Alright, I'm just gonna set these right. I don't really know where I wanna set these. I guess right here. Alright, let's install the grill. Alright, all 3 plugged in. Actually, I did that the worst way possible. Let me undo that. I'm gonna want to run these through the front right here. Where at though? I'll clean up all the wires later, but I'm just gonna get this grill in. Alright, it's all clipped in. Now it's gotta put the 4 bolts back in the top and the push pins. Actually, it's 4 push pins, 2 screws on top. So I'll put those back in now. All right, the grill is installed and it looks absolutely amazing. I have all these wires in here that I have to, you know, collect them all and zip tie them somewhere so they're all nice and neat. But I do want to turn everything on, make sure it works again. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's turn all this on. Bulb works, headlights are on, that's on, grill lights are on, that one's on, headlights on, and that's the one that's burnt out. I just left it. The truck is actually leaving to go on a trip tomorrow, so I don't want to risk messing anything else up. Little side marker light, not a big deal. Turn signals work, headlights work, everything should be good to go. So looks like we are done here. Alright, so everything's wrapped up here. We are done with the truck for now. Headlights are in, grill is in, grill lights are working. Everything looks fantastic. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you smash that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next video.